That front tire is super stuck. Back tire, oh my God, dude. I can't believe this happened. Totally stuck in the ditch. I got about 90 minutes until the tow truck guy comes. Well, I finally sucked it up and bought myself a drone. I got the DJI Mini 3 Pro. I'm trying to get used to flying this thing. I've flown it a few times already, but I haven't really had a chance to do it out in the middle of nowhere, basically, where no one's really at. I have to get a new propeller here. One of the propellers is shot. It's still flyable, it's just the end, but I have a new one I gotta put on. I just gotta make sure I don't strip these little screws here. And I just have the regular remote controller that uses my phone, although I am considering upgrading to the RC2, the one that has a built-in screen. That way I can record some B-roll and behind the scenes stuff like I'm doing right now for you guys. One thing I definitely was not expecting to be doing with my 2024 BRZ is getting out on some dirt roads as much as I have been. The snow tires I have on there definitely help me do this. I'm here pretty much driving around on mud, and the BRZ is doing just fine. That short wheelbase makes it a lot of fun. I don't really rally it like I want to because it is a new car to me and it's expensive and I want to take care of my baby, but it's fun being out here on the dirt roads, and more than anything, it's peaceful. And I got it all on camera. Well, guys, this is definitely something that's not good. I am totally stuck. I'm trying to get out right here, but as you can see, it's not looking well. I have that piece right there, which is probably stupid because it's spinning. Well, if you guys didn't see the other clip, I totally was just backing into this spot, thinking that it was going to be as smooth as that road right there. Boy, was I wrong. The craziest part about this whole situation is this lady came by to try to help me, who was obviously drunk or something. She just going ahead and ripped through that little area back there, went back this way, just like rallying around. And here's me, Mr. BRZ Rally, totally stuck in the ditch. Oh, buddy, you definitely can't make this up. This is pure stupidity by yours truly. I mean, could you get it worse? I knew, like, when I stepped in that mud and I got out of the car, I knew right away that this was going to be a huge problem. That front tire is super stuck. Back tire, oh my God, dude, I can't believe this happened. Oh, it's so stuck. Ah, no, dude. I can't believe this happened, man. So sad, honestly. Embarrassing, sad. I honestly feel like such an idiot. Well, guys, learn from me. Learn from my mistakes. You know, don't pull your car. If it just snowed a record amount of snow the day before, maybe don't drive on a dirt road all super confident and then not check the spot you're about to back into. So stupid. I had no idea it was gonna be that muddy. I can't believe this. Anyway, called a tow truck company. They're coming out for $375 to get me out of the spot. The lady, the drunk lady that was next to me or tried to come help me, she's like, how much if I get you out? I'm like, $50. And then she, I think, was trying to drive my car, which I kind of gave the hint that, no, you're not going to drive my car, lady. I'm going to get it stuck if anyone's going to get it stuck. Oh my God. This was supposed to be me flying my drone and having cinematic cool shots about my car, and it turned into me backing into a ditch. Oh, this is so bad. You guys can see exactly what's going on here. Look at how muddy that is. Just pure mud. And I stepped out once and stepped in that. Huge problem. I tried using sticks behind the tires. Sticks, rocks, I used sand. Oh no, that's bad. So anyway, I gotta find a tow hook on here, have him tow me out. I don't know if I do. I actually might have a tow hook in the trunk, so I'm gonna try to go get that. Oh boy, I got about 90 minutes until the tow truck guy comes. 60 to 90 is what she said, so I'm thinking it's gonna be more like 60. Yeah, this is really a bummer for me. Well, this is the first, I guess, real adventure with the BRZ. There's just no way I could get out of here. I mean, I looked at it, I kept trying, I used sticks. Yep, that's a big tip, is don't come out after a storm. Because if it's like this, you're in for not very much fun. Boom! Tow hook. It's almost like there's no spot for a tow hook on this thing. Well, we got positivity now, guys. I realize that this just pops out right here. Just like that. Boom, now I can install my tow hook. That baby just bolts right on. Man, now I want to get an actual nice tow hook. Yeah, perfect. Yeah, I just turned around, backed up in here a little bit. I knew I was totally freaking stuck. Yeah, but at least it's a light car, so it's not too heavy for you.
Oh, I'm not worried about that. Makes it way bigger.
Yeah, I bet.
That's that for you. Are you setting up camp for tonight?
No, I'm not. I'm just messing around. I'm getting out of here.
Yeah, I would say, at least you weren't like a stepmom letting her kind of mentally ill son drive around in here and get stuck.
Yeah.
It's still running. I don't really want you to gas it because we already know that rear wheel, it's just going to want to swing.
Yeah.
So we'll have you put in neutral. I want you to kind of slowly steer it because I want to try to get it to turn out. Okay. And then if I have to, I'll block the whole road with my truck. And we'll reconfigure to my truck. Yeah, just let me get set up. I'm going to double check the tow hook.
Okay.
Oh yeah, you got it tight.
Alright.
Looks like you, have you ever used tow hook before?
No, never had.
You did a good job.
Never had to. I was like, I know it's in the trunk. All right.
Just turn the wheel straight.
Well, if that's not part of the adventure, I don't know what is, guys. I can't believe that just happened. I feel like such an idiot, and I know I said that 100 times, but I'm gonna say it again. Be very careful after heavy rainfall or snow. If it's been days after it snowed and it's nice and hot and sunny, all that's gonna be mud where that snow goes and melts. So I learned my lesson today. $378 later, but he was telling me I could potentially have my insurance pay for it if it's full coverage. It's just a muddy mess out here. I gotta get out of here. And I had a feeling when I turned onto this road, I had an inkling that it was gonna be muddy and I should probably, you know, think twice, be cautious. But I'll tell you what, I can't wait to hit the pavement. I can't wait to get back on pavement. Holy cow. I still can't believe that lady, that drunk lady, just was freaking spinning Brodies, swerving around, romping around in her Impala. It was a good time. But man, I can't believe this, guys. I'm gonna have to get some pictures and show you guys the outside of the car one more time before we go home and hide this from the girlfriend. She's not gonna know, right? Oh, pavement has never felt so good. Oh man. Yeah, that guy was telling me, that fine gentleman was telling me all kinds of stories, and he was telling me about this mom that let her son drive his car out where I was parked. There's like, you go down that hill and there's like a big roundabout area that's like a big berm that you can just slide around on, and the guy like broke his car and you couldn't even drive it. That's how hard he was trying to get out of there. So if you know you're gonna get stuck, or you know, don't overdo it, don't burn your clutch out, don't wreck your car trying to get unstuck. Don't be an idiot like me. I didn't wreck my car though. My car's fine. It's just dirty, and thank goodness I work at a car wash.